Welcome back to our channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of two-wheeled innovation with a closer look at the 2023 Yamaha Niken GT. This is not your average sport bike, it's a stunning example of engineering prowess and cutting-edge technology. So, let's rev up the engines and explore what makes the Niken GT a true standout in the motorcycle landscape. As you can see, the Niken GT boasts a unique and eye-catching design. Its dual front wheels not only lend it an unmistakable appearance but also serve a practical purpose, enhancing stability and grip. The Niken GT takes the concept of cornering to a whole new level, providing riders with unprecedented confidence and control through those challenging twists and turns. Powering this remarkable machine is Yamaha's signature triple-cylinder engine. With every twist of the throttle, you'll experience an exhilarating rush of power and performance. The engine's refined design ensures a smooth and responsive ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tight city streets. Saddling up on the Niken GT is an experience like no other. The advanced suspension system, combined with the double front wheel setup, provides exceptional stability and handling. It's almost as if the bike sticks to the road like glue, inspiring confidence even in the most challenging riding conditions. But that's not all. Let's talk about the tech-packed features that make the 2023 Niken GT a true standout. The state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps you connected while you're on the move, with a vibrant touchscreen display offering navigation, music control, and more. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to seamlessly integrate your devices, keeping you in control without taking your hands off the handlebars. Long rides are a breeze on the Niken GT, thanks to its thoughtful touring features. The adjustable windscreen helps reduce fatigue by minimizing wind buffeting, while the ergonomic seating ensures both the rider and passenger stay comfortable during those extended journeys. With spacious saddlebags, you'll have ample room to carry all your essentials, making this motorcycle a true touring companion. Safety is a paramount concern, and Yamaha has pulled out all the stops in this department. The Niken GT comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including traction control, ABS, and even advanced rider aids like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. These technologies work together to enhance rider awareness and ensure a secure ride. Even when the sun sets, the Niken GT continues to shine. The advanced lighting system illuminates the road ahead, providing crystal clear visibility for night rides. Whether you're navigating through urban streets or winding through countryside roads, you can trust that the Niken GT's lighting will keep you well informed and safe. In conclusion, the 2023 Yamaha Niken GT is a marvel of modern motorcycle engineering. Its dual front wheel setup, powerful engine, advanced technology, and safety features make it a standout choice for riders who crave both excitement and practicality. Whether you're seeking thrilling rides on twisty roads or embarking on long-distance adventures, the Niken GT delivers an unmatched experience that's sure to leave you grinning inside your helmet. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the future of motorcycling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.